Near-Earth space is a dynamic environment. This is humanity's only accessible natural plasma system, and a dangerous, volatile environment for satellites and astronauts. Exploring the space weather and discovering the natural processes that energize and control particles in our space environment is one of the highest priorities of international space scientists and government agencies. The ultimate source of energy for this system is the Sun. Its hot outer atmosphere expands out through the solar system. Earth's magnetic field shields us from this solar wind, forming a protective bubble around the Earth that we call the magnetosphere. These interactions power the near-Earth space environment. The most beautiful and well-known consequence of this is the Aurora. Images of the Aurora taken from space are the only way of exploring the full range of multi-scale processes that matter in this dynamic region. This is critically important to the understanding of our natural space environment and how space weather affects our lives. The new ultraviolet imager, or UVI, is a revolutionary new satellite-borne auroral imager designed for the Canadian Space Agency's Polar Communications and Weather, or PCW, satellite program. UVI is a compact, innovative system that uses advanced filters to simultaneously image in wavelengths centered on 150 and 170 nanometers. The UVI design was developed as a team effort between University of Calgary and ComDev. UVI benefits from a long history of Canadian ultraviolet imagers, including the Viking, Interbol, Freya, and NASA image missions. UVI also builds on critical detector technologies that have recently been developed by ComDev for space instruments such as Swarm Cepheid and UVIT. UVI will capture the most detailed images of the global aurora ever taken, and will open the door to new and exciting space science opportunities. The UVI's advanced optics are capable of taking images at higher frame rates and much higher resolutions than its predecessors. The UVI's targeted spectral bands will allow the aurora to be captured on the day side and provide a complete specification of the considerable energy input into the atmosphere. This will transform our ability to explore the near-Earth space environment. Aboard the PCW platforms, UVI will produce the world's first real-time global auroral images and 24/7 coverage of the Northern Hemisphere. This will have significant value for space weather services around the world. With PCW-UVI, Canada will be producing the world's first truly global space weather service. Space matters in the world. Canada's international partners in space exploration, including NASA, the European and Chinese national space agencies, are flying a fleet of satellites worth billions of dollars to explore near-Earth space. Each mission is a vehicle for leadership, different partners bringing forward what they are best at in the world. With PCW-UVI, Canada secures a central role in this elite effort. In fact, the auroral images tie the whole effort together.